you can't rank 2020 man, see it ya? Just jump off me, just to carry your power off. What me say? Must have join your back, mama. What me say? You not come? Alright, stay.
Burn out driver. That's straight. You make a bomb, driver. He's dead now.
Oh, you know better come. Rain fall out with your sun come and join. Mama, you crystallize your pigeon. You can't tell anybody carrying all this sports mode.
Sir. Oh, come here.
Officer, he's not sir. Me just bite, sir. Me just bite, sir.
Shut him up.
Sir, look so, sir.
Keep him in here, man. But you me say, me don't come here for this thing. Last time I share that place.
Sir, me don't know any so, sir.
Me better know what I'm saying.
Sir, me don't know any so.
No. What happened?
2020, sir. Market, sir. You know if you spell it, sir.
Yeah, congratulations, sir!
Sir!
That's a call it.
I'm not going to park it, sir.
No.
Aye,
You make a deal.
aye, sir. Where's your one, sir? They going to sir. No, Benny, sir.
What? Carry it up.
Sir, I can't give you, sir.
I'm not going to carry. Give me that deposit. I'm going to do it.
Yeah, don't give me one.
Burn up. Me apoyes, but me have to laugh. I wonder if I know my right. Let me call something.
On the box side of the gun, man. I'm going to go play this kind of.
Custom whip, one push a gram, and a puff gum, and it's for the chase rum, and I love.
Oh,
Yes, Santa.
how you get me number from?
You know, so me get that number from one you by IG though.
Boy, have IG. How you want?
Yeah, man, he must say, are you that and like me can ask if you want more for Christmas?
Yeah, man, ask what you want, man. Ask what you want.
Ah. So first and foremost, more want iPhone X.
iPhone X. Hold on. I blew me I use.
Yeah, man. The fancy new phone they come out, you know, want it. Yeah, man, and plus more want suit for black and white, okay? You know, say, yo, black and white, hot in the girl, oh, yeah.
Black and white, you want go?
Yeah, man, and plus me go want barrel of clothes, want markets, want clothes a barrel too. Yeah, me not forget that want 2 big house, want a mansion, want 2 hot girl in my house, what else?
What things I want? You ask all them things there. You bet stink, taxi toothpaste and toothbrush. I am green, you can't see a soap too. Why people still like, where you come from? You how much?
Why you talk
How
about
much?
the BS, so? Talk about the BS, man.
Come on from his damn phone, boy, and go look work.
No, man, no, let at you. Tell me to that. Watch him now. I go come bud to the board.
Coffee Jamaica you come from. Bruh, and go up. You can't rank 2020 man, see it ya? Just jump off me, just to carry your power off. What me say? Must have join your back, mama. What me say? You not come? Alright, stay.
Burn out driver. That's straight. You make a bomb, driver. He's dead now.
Oh, you know better come. Rain fall out with your sun come and join. Mama, you crystallize your pigeon. You can't tell anybody carrying all this sports mode.
Sir. Oh, come here.
Officer, he's not sir. Me just bite, sir. Me just bite, sir.
Shut him up.
Sir, look so, sir.
Keep him in here, man. But you me say, me don't come here for this thing. Last time I share that place.
Sir, me don't know any so, sir.
Me better know what I'm saying.
Sir, me don't know any so.
No. What happened?
2020, sir. Market, sir. You know if you spell it, sir.
Yeah, congratulations, sir! That's a call it.
I'm not going to park it, sir.
No.
Aye,
You make a deal.
aye, sir. Where's your one, sir? They going to sir. No, Benny, sir.
What? Carry it up.
Sir, I can't give you, sir.
I'm not going to carry. Driver, give me that deposit. I'm going to do it.
Yeah, don't give me one.
Burn up. Me apoyes, but me have to laugh.
Long time, watch ya. Crepo.
That one.
That one bad boy, look so.
No, that's a weird, that pretty way out.
Kepo more than some weight in that.
Yeah, man. So that's say I look a boy still.
Kepo man, I'm a bad man long time, Kepo.
Bad man?
Alright. Name Pumpkin Belly. Ask round there so, over there so, east, west, north and south. Ask for Pumpkin
That's
Belly.
a bird, G. Me gonna make a buy some weed. Wait.
Kepo, run your money now, man. Kepo, run your money now, man. Yeah, move so, Kepo. Me no like you move from there now, Kepo.
Alright then, buy a 5 bills bag.
5 days back, Kepo. Me say this. Mean brother, no, Kepo.
You're a song leader, man.
Kepo, you alright?
Yeah, man.
Feel it, you fever.
No, man, good, man.
Alright, that's you alright. So forward.
Alright, go on forward, G.
Kepo, man, tell you, man, I get the thing, you know that, man. Tell you, you know that. So me turn big, man. No.
Come here, no.
Yo, all you man, I should have pre one thing till now, Kepo. Oh, see that water, so. Yo, Kepo, what is before me for like you, don't share something that. Me, I get one of bad man, so only see the man sell on you right now. Then say, I bad man style, you see me? So me get one. You see me? Me get it for around 2 grand.
My God, I'm saying, man.
Ease yourself, Kepo, man. Okay? Like it, I come like afraid of you, afraid of weed now, Kepo. A bad man thing, you know? Kepo. The weed are hot. Kepo. Are you buy the weed that can't go here, are you plant it? Kepo, no, man, remember from yesterday, and day before yesterday.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no.
Jamal Smith, bad man. That day, gun for you.
2 hours later.
Yo, Kepo, elephant.
There, man.
Let's sit down here so like so little girl from my head.
She don't even know what go on you. I say yesterday, me and the boy Pumpkin Belly right as a bun some weed. And all of a sudden, I see the dog start. I don't know what go on, me and I and one time I like to pick breadfruit.
Yeah.
And I jump and I go, and I go, I saw the dog go on. So me I wonder if I'm alive or I'm dead. I don't know what go on, and I'm there worry about the dog, you see me?
Yeah.
I don't know what go on, brother.
Bad man, Kepo.
Yo, watch it for me, man.
You disrespect. I'm
Alright,
boy, get up. You little boy, Pumpkin Belly. Get up, move, run. Kepo, you say bad man
Right
that.
now, you're king of legit youth.
Kepo.
Imagine yesterday me get some weed and you knock out, brother.
Kepo.
I'm going to say that, brother. Fix what? You can't tell me that youth. We fix.
You know, say no
Man
real man
can't
know
get
that.
fix in a me good day, brother.
You know, man, Kepo. You
All
know,
hell man fi get fix in a me good day. You hear that?
and that's how you're ugly, sir, Kepo. And that's how you're ugly, sir.
Hey, what Pumpkin Bell? Come here.
Yes, daddy. You're coming, I'm gonna do it.
I see man. Yaron, come here. I'm smoking here, smoke. Where's the table? Come here, come here, skin boy. Come here. Let's go eat your table.
Full of shirts and my damn shorts. Tight jeans with a damn clock.
Kepo.
Why pre?
Chicken belly. On the pan. Me don't know how good most still, so no one time on the pan. Big Steve, 10 cow, 7 goat, and 17 head.
Hold on there.
What are we say?
Hold on there. All big city, 7 good. I get for run so big.
Kepo. Right question. Real person.
But yo, watch out. 5 of me come with them your dog.
Yeah?
But me on the home run way.
Alright, don't worry yourself. Me have something big still. Me have something big still.
How about that?
Don't worry yourself. Me have something big. Don't worry yourself.
Alright.
Me have it, man. Me have it, Kepo. Me have it. The boy, yeah, I know. Kepo, what is Kepo? You see, they call it 45, but me call it 65. Take a feel out, Kepo. Yeah. Kepo, give me. Yeah, kill somebody. I put it up back till little more. I make a step. Don't say.
Oh, them boy that pre-man so brother. I think I love man dog.
Hey boy, big, so you me come back, you know, so you can go and tough up to our party of yours like you're a bad man, you know. Want the 17 head, I go 18, and the 25 head, and the 7 cow.
Hey boy, give me this. You go like a bad man, I go like a 6, but me a 5, all this. Come on, go on like.
Bruh. Look at this dude.
Oh, yeah, but the gun, no. Yo, me boy, boss me gun too. Got it!
Boy, squad them on JP, them go on like a pay $10,000 bill, they want to send come, give man people like them. Them know say, me and Pumpkin Belly. All of them come with $10,000 bill, me not paying that, or strictly take me a thief. I mean, and Pumpkin Belly, I mean run around here, so. Hey boy, life post. You remember that day? My place today, no? I mean, and Pumpkin Belly, you remember my name? Remember my name, no? Remember my name?
So you find light post. Yo, look, yo, cast for the quick down. Look at my light post. You can't see right now. Yo, see that better? Yo, no, I can't look at me. Show me the you. Yo, hurry, you. Yo, squad it. See boy them there try thief like. Yo, hurry up and come, man. Fly fly, come, man. I'm here. Hurry up, man. What you boy them? What is it? Look.
What? Boy! What? Yeah, try run me down. You're not near Pumpkin Belly.
Oh, them in a wash.
Now watch it, baby.
Another
I watch them. Yeah, well, I'm watch Jaws.
Oh, man.
I'm tired of watch Jaws. Tired.
Yo, Browning.
Blackberry.
How you cripple?
No, I didn't choose them.
What kind of choose you talk about? You did the bad man, boy.
I'm have to deal with little stuff them.
Come go see what cripple did up here. What kind of choose you talk about? Cripple a bad man, no?
Yeah, watch your panty, nobody can stop me.
Yo, cripple.
Wipe it.
Blossom, oh, hey boy. Yo, Blossom, do duties. Hey boy, where you Blossom? Hey boy, how can I punch you sound?
No, watch
No,
no,
cripple, I know you listen.
watch
Cripple. I don't even know if you play with jazz there.
Yeah, watch it.
So, how a bad man there? How a man we at that school and a bun split there? How in there?
You gone.
I guess I know. You cut here, I go page, bro. You see alright, yeah. I know you see her, she have a die. Yeah, see her what?
Yes, panty clean.
Bro, I'm going to do just good from foreign. Yo, I have to come in and say, come check out the thing, you know. Right now, a long time I play for that cripple board, you know. Because the board, you know, cheat good on them thing there, you know. Tell me. No, Kuya. Bro, you know what you do?
What you mean by queer?
You man for a bullet. You left
What you mean by queer?
cripple. Watch your cripple. Cripple.
You must watch Jaws, brother.
Jazz.
Yo,
Yo, where's it?
Jaws. From that dead on my
Yeah, easy cripple. Where's it? Yo, hold it, Easy man, you take medicine from man. Easy man. Yo, you know so no sense. Guess what? You are idiot. Look at now. Go on up. Go finish watching jazz. Yo, go finish watching jazz. Yo, we'll link a little. Yes, man. Bro, you come in that boy. You're idiot, you know. You don't know anything.
Bruh.
From where they me a gym bout the goat and me stangy them one boy a come down and come gym for me stangy. The boy blossom. So me check how much stangy for me. 5. No man, 2 missing. No man, 2 missing man. 2 missing. Alright, watch the other boy. Alright, look things are mechanical. You must have again blossom. Come back here. You go here what I'm saying here.
Yo, yung gila lagi to, lagi. Yung gila. Man, stand lang. Tawag niyo ko ng bahan niya, stand lang. Stop them. Aboya, ako natin mo po, stand. Yan natin na lang. Papasok. Na yung mamiya, may mabuti stand jo dia. Kasi magawa man. Barawanan mo. Stand nice down. Good man. Yes man. Ya tu thief.
Awa,
Just dead on me brother.
Blossom,
Yeah.
thief him Blossom.
Yeah.
Yo, if he dead, you thief all me girl. No see how well. You know hungry?
Yeah.
No, I keep today. We are make sure say I keep today.
Kaya class dead too.
For business and leave it alone. Hallelujah.
What you thief? I don't get it.
I am
Pasa niya sa dito. Dahil wala nang thief. But then I know this name.
Alang dami mo evidence. Alang dami mo evidence. Alang dami mo.
Kasong dakta buwa go iyat yo.
Oh, man.
Dakta kripedo no sa mga next victim pin na lang. Ba, na kamera yo.
Why? What kind of love no ata?
Oil, dago.
Oh, look so.
Ya black.
You mean say you pay office to. Ako di sa dakta.
You sir, go outside.
Come on. Ani boy check mo dakta. How you find out the boy?
Abasit.
Awasi. Paya tiyo black.
Abasit, brother.
Black ya di Mr. Strong man.
Oh, man.
Where come at?
What is it called?
Yeah.
You know say dakta. It's a long story.
Lang.
You want me to cut it short?
Yeah, man, cut it
The
short.
job in our wall last night.
Okay na wall.
One girl tell me say.
Bruh.
Doctor, me not to remember what girl tell me.
Okay na.
What kind of sickness me have? Me no know. Are you fi tell me that me come here for? Not that your job.
Give me a second. Hindi.
So me have to turn up for that one.
Yeah man, sana. Alright, that. Alright, give me a second.
Second, take a hour man.
Alright.
Doctor, me have wait too long no doctor.
Wait, man, I test a blood.
Test over blood. What you had in doctor boy? That doctor boy there takes a long man. That's a man that come at them cheap place, you know.
Right.
Yo, doctor, do you do fast, man?
Unfortunately, I have some bad news.
What kind of bad news? Doctor, what kind of news, doctor?
Well, unfortunately, yours is now no cure.
Doctor,
Oi,
doctor.
wait. This is the angle yourself, no?
Hang myself.
Yes.
Jesus Christ.
HIV, yeah.
Where's the doctor?
You have HIV.
No, me not hear good. 10 years.
No, wait. HIV, yeah.
Yes, Miss Jackie, thanks for your little food, thanks, yeah. Me I go from here, I go in a little pot, thanks. Lord, Lord. Easy,
Hey, boy. You don't want to know no black boy. If I'm money, I earn off your mouth, you know.
Hey, boy, got neck off your mouth, you know me, boy.
I'm going to take my day out to make hey, boy, man. Hey, boy.
Boy, yo, come on, I'll cook, you know. Yeah, you got my phone, brother, which boy?
Yo, go page your boy now. Go page your boy.
I'm using it for you, that boy, make me
Get me.
In a box, him back.
I'm coming there. Yo, come see boy. See boy.
Hey, boy, this is a black woman.
Yeah. Come see boy. This boy. What?
Me like on that step, me like, me like on that step.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the.
Yo, Kyra, you ready? Yo, Kyra, come in, Kyra. Yo, come in. Yo, man, never sign up for this, you know. Master Chief would just send man out of it dead. Man, for hungry belly and one bag of something. Me not can sick. Bad boy. Big ol' AK-40 grass a crash me. Yo, all of my mission, I'm aboard, man, for aboard them a mission, aboard and aboard. Man, never sign up for this, you know. Boy, calm down still. My blood pressure feel high. Jesus. Last sweetie. Last meal for me this, you know. I wonder where I want Kyra there. Jesus Christ. Last boy. Now me near. Enjoy myself, you know. Because me soon dead. When you want Kyra, take up back your gun. Right, this one. Yo! Ready to go for that one?
Oh yes man, we catch you now. Boy.
Target
Master
neutralized.
Chief would change me for nothing. That.
Kepa. Yes, grandpa.
Hold on. I want it younger. No, you me a call boy.
Yes, man.
Yo, listen to me, man. You hear me?
Yeah, me.
You hear me? Can look like that. Yo, you see you?
Huh?
Cause you can't name so.
Bruh.
Oh, you damn crazy some boy. Listen to me, I tell you. You see the boy Blazom?
Yeah.
The ugly one there.
Yeah.
The mangy one there.
Yeah.
The frownsy one, man.
Yeah.
You don't have nothing for him. You hear me? I say?
Right.
Me say what me say?
No, don't have money.
What make you think me say if you don't have value?
Kind of see.
You not see? No. You know not see. But guess what? Just don't have value.
Then suppose me hungry.
That be hungry, better no.
Yes, that's young man.
Man.
And the first time I tell you this, you know. And if you're craving, and I say ugly, so.
Man, talk too much, man.
That's how you ugly, sir.
You can't talk for
What make you think you can't go in that town? What make you think you can't go in that town? You don't know? Alright, go look in that mirror. Yeah. What me say enough you do? Don't run in front of him and don't talk to you again.
Man, tell me granny for you. Ramping man, the boy box me, but I'm not in Palm Blossom. Say me in Palm Blossom, but I'm going to survive. Take care of you, man. Well, take all this time I made no money, heavy, you know. Brother, where am I, so? Well, take all this time I made no money, I don't feel much years, brother. Sure, I'll get better than this, Japan. Why don't I help you? What? No. Wait. Careful about man. Take it down. Hot man. Brother, I'm pulling this at the front. Pulling secret here. So, I'm here saying no food.
Bruh.
Couple food.
Sweet on them, man.
Sweet.
What I mean, sweet.
You hungry now? But para big man levels.
What kind of rice up there and thing?
I'm most person. Come person na kinyam pa yo.
Real?
Yeah. Na kinyam pa yo masa.
What make I tell me food too sweet?
I don't know any boy but it's na kinyam pa yo.
Alright, I go for rice, man.
Alright,
One quarter too.
Yeah, no, yeah, sugar.
That's how we have them.
You have them thing there.
Alright. Yo, see, then I
Bomba, mabas.
Yo, what have we do? Quench it. Wash it down.
Brenda, sabi water na plate. What is that?
I chew me left in that freezer, man.
Left
And it melt out now.
Oh, man.
Na freeze, you could make rice out. Watch out.
Let us say in that freeze dog and it.
No man, this need to go for news. People look here. Look at what kind of rice man are cooking me for me. Look at what kind of rice. Water and rice. Water and rice. Man, lift up, man. Water.
Brother, eat the thing if you eat the thing, brother.
Man, taste it.
Jesus Christ, careful, I'm here.
Yo, Blossom for yes, them man and them dog. I tell you, hello man, I'm this man not keep a focus right now, dog. Yo, no, man, I got check your dog. Let's check your dog.
Oh, God.
Bicara patay up.
May apit some face, brother. Siya, kita na food, brother. Any of this there,
Yes.
And I'm to the door. Yes. Now this man in door. Yes. So on one. Look up now, you do.
Yes. Make you body see young kid.
Yeah, I'm sorry, sir.
Look at you're wicked.
No, yes.
But I got senior.
Yes, sir.
That man I tell you, I don't young to make kill you.
Rice on it. Put up the pot of soup. What I take it up in. More thing now, I go all over my pot to tie the man thing and thing. No, ano may yada. No, ano may yada. Ang kaya may yada. No. Kaya may yada. No, ano may yada. Ay, bilang tagal mo.
From them long time they not growing up here with everything. They just do.
Bruh.
Ya lebih kuat ke baru lagi ya sama sih ya. Popular na pera, popular. Ani dia lihat pera mikir. Dem. Ya.
Basi.
Tiada.
Yan ano Silva. Ginawa mo.
Try mo ang kayo. Diyan.
Yo, bauya, na ini ke po.
Tiada.
No yumi sa mo, na di kalam lako. Lako na dem pa.
Yes, pamuin mo na siya win. So tawag tiya shirt dem.
Dag, big real shoot no. Abuay ti mi shot dem no dag. Ota onde lang fa tiya chita mi pesa niya. Yo dag. Yo te sa mi di niyan Punkin Belly dag yung membali JPS video mix yo ami wani punya sa ning de. Yo dag si pa nintendo dag.
Oh,
Boy,
iba.
ti fa.
Ini mad me.
No dag ano mi madio. Ano mi? Yo si boy ma.
Move.
No beda. Oya muso.
Watch it.
Yo. Kasi betul lah.
So watch it, brother.
Yeah, why not cut this?
Look, I cook and I bake too much.
No, see a word then, me Jim.
You see, I'll tear, brother. I'll tear.
You say no?
I'll tear. You take that shit. Boy.
Yo, my God, boy!
Which boy? Which
The
boy?
boy that did my shot! Yo, yo, me ready? Yo, me ready? Yo, me learn one new style! Yo, watch out, cripple, magic! Yo, see that boy, see that?
No. I'm not sure that.
Look at the top.
Yo, me just reach brother. Yo, guess what?
Wow.
Yo, me father just give me wait it. Oh, see that? Me father just give me $1.7 million. Me love money, but me no like work. You know what I mean?
1.7.
Yes, brother, yes. $1.7 million. Yo, rich. Buddha and bag juice with days. You know what I mean? Yo,
Wait, pine.
see there, brother, see there. The $1.7 million.
And me see a cheese here, me no see no pine.
What you mean, brother? What you mean?
How much blind me blind?
See
Me no see no pine on it.
See that, brother? You know, see? Rainy fit, yo, you know, say never gonna school with that. Yo, look, brother. You really dog, that you say real, brother. You know, see, brother. You see two who every night. Boy, how you doing? Yes, I know the people, you're tired. I'm not tired, brother.
On to me, brother. On to me, brother. What you say? Don't go show me, boy. Yeah, idiot. I say a bad man that. Yeah, idiot. Yo, which part the bar, Charlie? Yo, bar. Which part? Yeah, lift up my left hand. Alright, run. Yes, ma'am. Hold on.
Me know you're right, man.
Hello, good afternoon. Yes, please hold. What go on now?
Yeah. See boy on the road. Idiot boy. Yo, me know you're real bad man from the stand. They're not in place. They're not in. A boy just this man.
You know, lick you.
Yeah, man.
Come in. Yeah.
Need that to know the camera that to man.
Pumpkin. Alright, dog.
Yeah, me great, brother.
Yo, calm down, dog.
Yo, me no afraid, dog. Me no afraid black. Something
I
black.
sexy to this day, dog.
No, dog, you're mad. Sexy to what to you?
Yo, sexy not everything, you know, you.
Brother, my life just fly gone like a eagle.
I don't wanna be going to station, go live same way, dog.
Brother, what time you left go to my station?
Yo.
Come with a come thing.
Anytime after one, you know, say
Bruh.
I'm sexy, a job, dog. You know?
You not even know no youth right now, no dog. Me hungry still, I'm not even know if I go look for a food for me.
Yo, right now, man, I prefer to go to my yard, when I'm in last food, from my parents, I'm in a youth, go, dog. You know, when I get back, to me, dog, you see me?
Brave still not black, so you would watch your back, you. But right now, I see daddy a shot, my shit, dog, this. But dog,
So, I'm gonna show you a period, dog. Dealing up calm this morning, dog, and tell me say start line up one proper guava tick team, brother. You know you.
yo, them thing make me not even go barber shop
Yeah,
again.
them thing
Come like bun, brother. Yo, what's on? Food no food on your yard,
We have to go top say 6 week, me get 6 subject of luck.
oh God almighty, me have to go stop say, I'm 5'2", you don't know a thing, but yo, where's the food on your yard?
Yeah, man, just hang with man. Hang
Yo,
your bang, let's
I
go.
left you know that
Yeah,
car
man.
right now. No, go stay. I look what I'm on the yard.
Right now, laughing.
Dr. Shine! Yes, daddy! Why, fuck up? What me here say CXC, come on? What Dr. Shine it? Yes, daddy? Look how long me a call you. Daddy, you did do something. Me a walk on the road and me a here say CXC, come on. How much subject you pass? Daddy, you know say give money for the 10, but me do it 10 and when me look on the result, I go 2 me get so. So me don't know, daddy, me don't know. But you cannot, you have to beat me or cuss me or nothing, because you know say at the end of the day we have life. You see me, we have food. You have life, you not got no life when me done with it. Every time I change the result, but change them. By the time me good on your song, come back here, change them.
Daddy, yes, them.
Go and go change them.
That is a must change it. I'm going to change it, you see. Mathematics. 1. English. 1. Spanish. I didn't know I'm not good permanent Spanish. I'm not good. 2. BPM. 1. OA. 1. What is a PUBG? Subject.
Tajwani, Yes, Daddy.
Look how long me say if you go change the result then.
Daddy,
But you're bright man. Mathematics 1, English 1. Well, you're lucky, you know. Spanish 2, 1, what? OA, but proud of what? What on? What on?
Yes, Daddy.
What else you have this one?
Daddy, Daddy, give me a second, Daddy. We get too much one.
But you know.
Scorpion. Come here! Jax. Kulao. Liu Kang. Round 1. Fight! Round 2. Fight! Come here! Superb. Finish him. Scorpion wins fatality. Finish him. Liu Kang wins. Flawless victory.
Morning class.
Good morning, Black Shine. Miss Woodbrendan and Mr. Black Shine come because the last time Mr. Black Shine.
You was a Obian man.
Alright, I'm here. My mother said I love to talk to strange people.
Yeah.
So your man never tell talk to Blossom. Look how Blossom damn ugly. What's that? You give it to Blossom, but actually your mother and your father never too pretty.
But look at Black Shine.
Yeah, look how him black till him teeth them shine. Black Shine. Easy man. But sir, you come up to chat and you come up to run the lesson. This would to teach you, sir. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is... How much that? 3. 3, sir. 3. Yes, I'm gonna test your guys' intelligence. I'm sucking up for this class. Yes, sir. Hold up, sir. I'm right. You look like you get to Happy nice, boy. What color? Is that tree? I'm waiting. What color is the green tree? What?
Green.
Oh, no. What? I'm the white.
So now the man give me none.
What was your answer as a matter of fact?
Green.
I'm the white. Alright, next lesson, because it looks like pumpkin is the great one and colors. Okay, we're gonna talk about countries today, okay? Alright, where in Kingston can you find Montego? St. Catherine, sir! St. Catherine, sir!
What happened? This smells so man.
Alright, what's your word? St. Catherine, sir! St. Catherine, sir! Yes, pumpkin! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Take a piece of my bread. You look hungry. What is your answer now? Blossom! You're damn done. I feel this. You're so done, Blossom!
You're wicked. Mrs. Seaman says it.
I feel the same answer. But this is wicked the truth.
You know lang manabera.
Yeah, chopper, wagwan.
Wagwan so green.
Yeah, man, me there in I believe.
Then your sugar.
Yeah, man, that's about
You're
fresh.
salty like one pack of beer.
Yeah, some trash, man.
Yeah, man, you see, man. Yo, what there, man?
Yeah.
So wagwan.
It was a me there, I'm like,
So green. You want me to smell so green?
brother, how are you about green?
You mean?
I'm nice, man. How long you been
How long you in a beer?
4, 5, 6 years now.
5, 6 years, you have damn right.
Yeah,
Go so green.
Man, need to put up on Instagram and put hashtag so green.
Yeah, man, we just I want to call one and put on the screen now.
Huh? So not even call one can along your send.
Guess what I mean?
Alright, watch out.
Not so green.
So green. Don't move, stay right there. So now you're bridging long time.
Yeah,
Me
man.
have a fix problem.
Bring some water for me drink.
Bring some water for you drink.
Yeah, man.
I'm going to bring a jar of water for you
Yeah, man,
drink.
come here first.
Don't move. Stay right there, son.
Man,
Don't move, you know.
now move.
So green, me say don't move.
Why you come in and chat too much, man?
Polo shirt and my damn shorts. Tight jeans with the damn clocks. On the road we are rough. When I drink out the cup that we pop. Polo shirt and my damn shorts. Tight jeans with the damn clocks.
Watching your new boy, bounty name so green. So green, me so green for show. Eh? Then from a long time, centuries back, centuries and years back, years. The boy if he beard, man, my brethren, you want water for drink, I can give him drunk. Watching your now play with him.
Have I done said, girl, just give me brain. I said drip from my neck, and I see the chain. Have strike a dab over
So green, stop me off here.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no.
Imagine, throwing the boy in your cripple, owe me my rent, for my big mansion, when me rent the boy on the hills. I'm going to pay you. I'm going to kill somebody today.
Why? Go and put on your auntie. Look at the boy I want to collect rent for. Imagine. Eh? I mean just get money from a friend and I'm not giving him none. So I gone, be gone.
Me go them to pay me rent for the place, you know. 5-star hotel. When me say mega star. When me I give them lobster even time, me say anyone more boy there, you know get it. Yeah, if me want them anywhere. I could have on the East Coast and West Coast, you know, say a million pumpkin belly. Eh? I rent me at $20 a month, you know. Boy them can't pay me. Alright, that's all good. Now check them back the moment, don't worry.
You know say for the pumpkin and them door. Feel good $20 when we owe him. Pay rent. So you want some friend? Yeah, brother. I back on money. Pumpkin, how do you dog? How do you come pumpkin? Tell me how gone dog.
Yo, you know see boy named Cripple?
No, Sam, I don't see him.
The boy was supposed to about 10 months rent. Yes, man.
Yeah.
What does on? At 20 grand the boy want me, you know?
So much?
Yes, man. Enough money that there. Can buy 10 pound of mackerel and something. What a shot. Watch out. You see, if I tell my boy there, him not pass now, yes, so you get the whole of next month rent.
What?
You whole of next month rent, man.
That's how much?
Yes,
How
man.
much?
No 20 grand. You know, you want me to tell you, man.
Alright, but watch out.
What?
Big finger.
Big finger did?
Eh.
Say, you sure? Big finger did?
100% sure.
100% sure?
Yeah.
Alright, don't see a word.
Alright, don't say it. Man, watch me, man.
But if you ever idiot, I don't just see there. Aye.
Yes, no, pumpkin.
How you go?
That's
That's how.
Yeah, come here. Me? Yeah, come here.
Okay,
Bruh.
Just $3 give me a piece of food, brother. What you do? You know what you doing? What you doing?
Bruh.
No, but you're a bad man.
Of course.
All a box of man.
Yeah.
Me not even go chop up here this evening because I want me next month. Hey, boy, you know, say, hey, boy.
What you have to do?
What you have to do with it? Hey, boy, hold that. You see one you want me rent again, you find me yard.
More that.
Any boy feel them can rent out the pumpkin place and don't pay me a 5-star hotel me have up on the hills.
Bruh.
A lobster them I get to eat, you know. Any boy feels them can rent out my place, think again.
Pumpkin! Hey, boy, let me call him. Pumpkin!
Yes, daddy.
Yeah, hey, boy, let me call you.
Me a come.
Come here, man. I say, come what day, mass Joe, borrow my cup and my spoon.
Yeah.
I'm going to go feet back for me. It's a pink cup and a black spoon. I go feet.
Yeah.
And if you don't come back with it, I'm going to beat you.
Daddy.
Because I'm in a gas school.
Yes, a pink cup and a black spoon.
Yes, make sure you remember, you know.
Me a go remember, say no back of school, I run a school, you say you know.
Don't make me spit on me, Jai.
No, daddy. You know,
I
Jai.
say, you know, Jai? I'm going to kill you with
Alright,
this.
me soon come. Now you said, daddy, me gone for. Spoon, cup, spoon. Cup, spoon, cup, spoon. Cup, spoon. Cup, spoon. Cup, spoon, cup, spoon, cup, spoon. Maju,
Yes, sir.
daddy say you have to give me cup and a spoon. Well enough from last year, December. Cup and spoon. Yeah. Black. No. Pink cup and a black spoon.
Oh,
Daddy saying you want it.
Oh, a reddish color white cup.
Yes, man, that's the one there. But you see, yes, anytime you lend it back, yes, anytime you come back, you buy a cup and spoon, you now get it back, you don't beg too much.
Oh, you know, say, I would drink 2 tea out of it.
Yeah, so where there?
You know, say,
I think you don't even know where.
oh, you didn't come with gun, man. I run go.
Hurry up and come back. Say, boy, Mas Joe, no sense though. Take my levels. Mas Joe, hurry up, no man, me see Black Ashan, and you would have pay my blame, man, hurry up, no man.
Man, find it. Yes, man, I can't give your father this in the boat.
One problem no grass there green night.
So, Macho, those here, they come on, you nasty till you ugly man. Look at man.
Yes, man. Me know what I'm dancing.
Wonder how me can skip play marble with Father God. Me want can play no. Spoon cup. Pumpkin. Black Ashan. Where the fuck?
That's so marvel there play though. You can play some marble with me.
Yeah, Blacks, you don't see a madman do
Bruh.
You want out to play marble? Look how son hot in a summer here. And you play marble. You get blacker. So, alright, Blacks, okay? You play 1 or 2 rounds. 1 round of marble.
If you can play 2 or 2 your number.
No, not my number.
One more tell me.
You know, say. Up on my drum, just go for that cup, yeah? A glass of grain. And a glass of grain in a cup? Yes, him boy nasty, yes, man. And then you come around, come here, come in the game.
Come here, see your man.
I mean, what the job, see now?
You know the job.
Go down your road, go down. Alright, watch ya. Me know the job, see. Go down. Well.
You are idiot. You must beat you. Yeah, boy, man. I want if I'm married, play with a black ugly boy. What they call Black Ashan, nah, beer. I say, I go see me, say, I kill him with lick and box in the dirt. Come to my line, yay. Oh. Lucky boy, I play. I want to mush up in the
Black Ashan, man. You push until you're full, brother. By the way, Alex, then you have Billy, Rocky, Pumpkin. And the father keep like a cup. Wait. Jesus Christ.
I say, I'm a man, boy.
Bruh.
Front up, man. Yo, come here.
Yes, father keep
I'm not a man if you come on the sport.
Yes, sir, no, sir.
Yes, I know, sir. Where you say, boy?
No, sir.
Let me see what I'm doing. See, open up.
That's why mommy left your frowns in that car.
Come on, I know, man. Open your yard, boy. Go piss bed, boy. You're 25 years and still a piss bed.
Dog.
I pray.
There, man.
So you me there wait, man. I look for money, dog. You see me?
Eh.
Fuck me say 5 years, no man know me, you know?
I like
5 years, no, brother. Yo. For me, if you can't look at the villains, come brother. You know, so you make me in a things, dog. Me there on the corner, man. Just forward. On the regular block.
Yo, give my take up that you. Just make sure it in the car. I'm hungry now.
No worry. Hold on, wait. Let me check this out. Just make sure 30,000. At 5 years, no, me I go to 6 years. And me go chop up on now if I'm not 30,000.
Make sure 30,000.
Wait, hold on. 1, 2, 3. But wait, let's get $10 more. You want to give me?
Yeah, give me my hungry youth.
Hey boy, I don't
Boy, don't run today. Who am I 5 years now? Oh!
I go where people play money now this done. And here one plot up, you know some look at man.
Tell her what. Yo, John no star. Should give them boy no money, you know. Cause they boy them.
That boy tapping nice. Give me everything we have.
But I'm not nothing.
You know nothing? Give me them the play your foot.
Just give some boy 30 down up.
Alright, don't say a word. Who are who them?
Me no, well, must. Where me cripple?
Cripple?
Don't see.
Anyway, you come from the load up.
Me I think that's still.
Me get $10 man.
Hey boy!
Yo,
Where
where
Hey, yo,
yeah, man.
where you get that from?
I'm
Yeah, what I said?
I'm money when me work.
Yes, you see an arm robbery.
5 years time.
If you say
What's that
fake, if you say fake, watch it.
Fear brother.
Hey boy, if you say a joke thing, yo, sugar, yo, you got that shirt away your hand. Quick, yo. Give me this. How about this? White phone, see how they want it. $10. Alright, don't say already. This them see pass the pass. This is them haircut there. A long time bad man I want a haircut in you. Give me them. Give me them. Yo, oh you gonna take it off, give me.
Yeah, man.
By the way, I don't want it. Keep it. Give me this. Take it
Yo,
off.
man, I budak. Yeah, but you can't take me last $10.
Get them off fast.
Yo, man, not near dog.
Make them move like hot rice. Yeah.
Yo, me budak
Bye.
want it.
Blem, kick that.
Man, good up, cause you don't know a car, brother.
You, I'm a big. Yo, I'm a big.
All of me good up. Right now,
Yeah.
one African up here, right? That's for you.
I'm a big. Look,
But you look at my
everything.
man, good up, cause you don't know a
Keep
car.
it down.
Yo, don't touch me.
Brother.
Big.
We hungry, dog. It's true.
Hungry, brother.
We can't
Almost
eat.
So imagine, brother.
Yeah.
We get $5,000.
Eh.
I swear to God.
30,000.
Me tell us yes, finish school.
Yes, on a madman do that.
Brother. So what do you imagine up on the block? And
Yeah.
you come give me 30,000.
So which boy Rabuno? Which boy Rabuno?
It's like me in a black shirt and
Go
a...
away.
Black shot.
But I don't see money that's marked on the dark shirt.
Yeah.
Man, you put a blue shirt and a...
On a chat too much yourself on the tip on the mouth, yo.
Are you?
You cannot
Your friend killer?
tapping eyes, man.
Alright.
You definitely keep on the mouth. Watch it. Take that one. You to shut up. Shut up.
Obia!
Right there. You know what I mean?
You want to bullet them? I take them out. Wait.
Kakafan.
Ini mana lagi tu?
Jenna, sorry.
Tapi gua nak run.
See, man, not even wash, not even close to put on watch.
Brother, ya tak mau wash. Nak tu close put time much less. Ada one suit and habit for a week in a brother.
My dog, no. I was supposed to.
No, sa miya.
Brother, you go beat me, no beat 1 month, no 2 years, no, you no beat.
Nagda fa mo ibang choke off in a brother.
I watch out, see how it, nago print out, because I'm not even doing washing
Yeah
in
man,
Sunday.
nasa na red man, nasa red.
That's what I think. Man no frowns here, man no girl. Man no stink, man smell sweet. Man no turn a light on it. Hold on. Close skin. Oh, I got it. See how weird I am. I'm just put them over and let set it. And then no shit. Little more you don't know, see a party vibes. Yeah. Don't move. By next 15 minutes or 10 minutes. No, you're alright.
Close up on light, close up on light.
Boy, girl. When I throw a suit, I close to put on my bed. Adidas. Look me now, wait. Blue one, I make you wait up here.
Hanapin mo ako.
Not even remember something go check them girl. I'll check if my clothes them by them.
Go check. I'm close on there. Must hold up on the watch and I go check out. The man them go with my clothes. So you have to pay me go check my dog.
A good thing them over here, so grandma, I don't want to something there. I imagine shot for your grandson, yeah. 5 is done them. 250, I'm cut in half and give you. Yeah. The Adidas them here. Lady, the one that name got dance, you know. When you're ready, you know. Come over here, so. Good thing them. Yeah. England them here come from, you know, people. What daddy, what you do? I'm going to G and travel here. I'm going to imagine, I'm going to see the boss. You see, I'm a virgin. Just there. I sell them for 2 bills, that's me. Yeah, virgin, so I'll give you 4 bills. 5. That good man, give me it, man. I mean, I'm virgin, you know, man. Yeah, virgin, you know. Yeah. No, illegal scandal about them. No, man, you know, so them they don't have to just wrap up and cut with the see me.
Yeah, man, son.
Change. No, 5 bills, give me, man.
Sure.
Yeah, man. You that, you know, man. Yeah, man. Not say a word, man. Not say a word. No sense, you know, man. Money, me say money.
Money, man, a chop chop. Get the Benz truck, get the chop top. Making money like cash pot. Flip them bricks like crackpot. Young rich boy up on the
Ready, walk one.
No, man, don't you know that?
You are free, that's the new style. You are different name. Oh, safe and clean.
My dog! I like this one! My dog! Ego! What is that? Look how far I come from, boy.
Now let me please.
Hold on. I'm fine. My dog! I'm putting it. I check the angel. No. I check the angel. Alright. Bassa Bush.
Yes, sir.
Jesus Christ. Me say I'm asking them with a deal with me up a yard, brother. All me a sleep in my bed, them a assault me and say all night me have to walk.
Bruh.
The thing I alone, I want to bite out one of them, you see?
Jesus. Yo, you say them could have named them. You don't even know. What me say? You don't know what
Right now, me I come up with a detector, you know, and half you walking.
let me see what I want to eat.
Yo, give me a sec.
Alright.
Stinger Dan Music.
Mosquito detecting. Ding ding ding. Mosquito detecting.
Long time on. Yo, a long time on kill you know? Long time on.
Someone said this is thing for me. You ready?
Anything, man.
Then come like a pestilence, them like some French your European
You
man.
say, you can detect them New Zealand. All you have to do, I wave it and
Smart.
detect them. Yeah, man.
Aye, that's
Smart,
smart.
you know?
It's
Smart,
smart.
look there.
I mean, done some boy.
Because, yo, that's smart, man. Because what you know? All you have to do, wave it, detect it, and...
Mosquito detecting. Alright, let's see how it. We in, just a bit. Respect, man. We on.
Alright, what else, man?
Home sweet home. One that carry that pan. When you come back, me have something for you. Hey, bad scientist make something for me. Mosquito detecting. Punch the woman, you think? Oh, a gang war. Oh, nobody. Oh, you feel how bad feel now? Yeah.
Next.
Dep on, bad boy.
But sir, did you know that you must not see unless the interviewer tells you to see?
Hold on. Missy chair. Not even chair. Missy jump. Me sit down. What you mean me not sit down? Me come and interview. I push me there. What you mean? What you mean by that? Are you run interviews there? Run interview. How you run interview, man?
Okay, sir, where are you?
You know, say me come from a place on another part there. Then you pass across and then you go down the hill. And then you go up there, you pass on Aki tree, then you pass on Apple one. And then you pass the mango tree there, then you go down the bush there. Yeah, man, right up there, man. Yeah, I know a place on another part, man. Right down there, sir. Yes, man.
So, where you live so far?
I want more walking and me take 10 shortcut for it, sir.
Okay, let's continue.
Yeah,
What
yeah.
is your occupation?
My occupation. We are talking about occupancy. No fucking around Miss Near on this man. You want Aki? Yo, you want know this rich and not you? Ati me teeth. Me can't teach Aki can get you know. No fucking man. Don't say it. Nothing go missing.
Okay, sir. Well, it seems like you failed the two first with me, so let's continue. Why do you want this job?
Why me want this a job here? Brother, me can make whole heap of money coming out of business to pay boy not even. One not even go and go to die now. Cause me give you free my shit though. Yeah man. That's how me come here man.
What we don't give it away just like that.
What you mean you don't give it away just like that? Cause that me see on the paper. Unless me can't read.
We only offer free food.
Free food. Jesus Christ, that's why me there too, you know. I'm kinda hungry, you know. Alright. Right, sir.
So, how are you going to benefit from this job?
How me a go benefit from this a job here? How me a go benefit?
Got it!
How me a go benefit? What you mean by that?
Got it!
Benefit.
Do you have a future goal or a long-term goal or a short-term goal?
My future goal is to kill boy. And pile dead body. And that's my future goal, sir. But don't worry yourself, me not pile you still now. And money me a pile now meanwhile.
Okay, sir. We're going to go into the field and I want you to give a brief demonstration of
A brief that, yo! Brief! Brother! Why you talk about brief? Oi! No talk about no brief, you say no brother. What kind of brief you talk
Sir,
about?
I didn't mean underwear. I said give a brief demonstration, as in an example of how you're going to perform.
Then
Yes,
that's the officer, man.
we're going to go on the field right now. So, yeah, let's go.
Long time, man. Long time. What time is lunch already?
Well, it's almost finished. What time is it?
Skin pass bowl I go down to flesh, sir. Hurry up.
Okay, I'm going right.
A large meal, me love you know.
Okay. Yes, sir. This is our website, which is your rightful position on this job. So give a brief demonstration of how you're going to.
So. I want to get so much grassy weed. You said me never did a hungry tomorrow. You know, come back here. But we did this here a while ago.
Yes, let's start. Show me a brief example of how you're going to perform on the job.
Can we just last it down, show me no brief. Then come up with a new style, you know. A clap on weed in here, me not dive on weed. Because I'm out of graph, yes, you know, me not dive on weed. That's the boss, you know. So you want to see the style?
Dive on weed?
Alright, that's your next one. Just look and learn and listen. And that I style, you know, sir.
2 hours later.
Not even get people working. But to all the lunch nicest today, me a start with from no. I'm say lunchtime soon come. Where have to put in?
Sir, can I give you a minute?
A minute. Yes, sir. Me na usually give man minute na one. See sir, ayun na develop to. Anong kayo ya? Big man, why ask? Brother, I'm out to well stink. Yes man, you look like Puss in the Boots, you look like Dirty Explorer, you look like SpongeBob. You're big, you're close crusher, you're in the bottom, you play time. You look like Young Down, you look like a day after the food. Hey brother, you look so. Mr. Joe, that man there over there so give me food yesterday.
Yes.
Yeah man, they say food nice here.
Well, unfortunately,
Yeah.
you didn't get the job and you're fired.
Bruh.
You don't give a blind, but you style me. I say my more thing. Alright.
Alright, I love to think I'm never hungry this morning, even though I don't want the food. Me am too kaka this morning. Go, your mask you can go. Cielo, cheap and clean. Galaxy, everything, banger. 2.5 mil. Get them, done them fast. What not even about this a shopper? You know, move from the one spot, you know. I don't want you kind of hungry still, you know. No, don't move. I'll soon come back. Don't move, you know.
They're hungry, do dog. What? You're talking hungry. Hungry, you're talking about. Me say me there from wood. You want a phone to take a girl and me don't have any money to buy.
Yes.
A thief, me have go thief it. I mean, I know chatting brother. Alright.
Come, brother.
Aduh. Mama. Kami cakap friend later. Where was it? Yo. Ya, me say you call na tadi, man. You call no better. Give me no daddy. Come on. Alright. Sa egg more expensive.
want me so happy, me just feel happy all of a sudden. The word just can't explain me, dog. Yo, take phone and sell to them.
Can't shot this, I know my shot this, yeah. Hold on. Everything you dog, I'm going with it. Let me tell you, egg in this. Very nice, chief. Yes, sir. Block a shine! Block a shine! A me! Pumpkin belly, the great one! But Mr. Black, sir, I got to come and fast you. But Black, sir, Black, you think them shine!
Keep on judging, and I'll make you walk.
Alright, sorry, I missed it, sir. But some little infinite, or some little pesty, them come like a roach. They come like best like that. They just give about 10 or 20 on the phone.
Hey, Mr. Pumpkinbelly, tone down, sir. You're waking up my ghost.
Alright, sorry. I'm on the street still, but I'm going to wait down a little bit. Understand me, you know, sir? You know, sir, that's why. I'm going to go and come back, you know. I'm going to give you only for time still, you know. So, know what you do. Yes, man. So, me dear though, what you have for me?
Well, I can tell you who stole your phone and your biscuits.
Faster, man.
Also your
Me not come have to talk. Tell me who thief me things, them, no, man. So, sir, what that book you look so?
I said don't judge.
Sorry.
The one called Wrong Turn. He stole.
Wrong turn. So what?
Cripple did it also.
Cripple! My virgin!
Wrong turn. So what? Cripple did it also. Cripple! My virgin cripple!
That's what I say. Boy, you have to give me something for it. Don't be going to that box, you know what I am.
Well,
Or something like that.
So you ever hear about a holy box?
Holy box!
Yes.
I wanna.
Just set your right jaw.
My right jaw, right. Oh, right. Alright, sir. Don't do nothing too funny still now there, boy.
Yes.
Oh, God! Oh, what you work still, you know. You have to know me people, you know. You know where I come from. I mean, you're Pumpkinbelly still, but make it go on.
Mr. For the TV phone them. I beat up me. Yeah, take it, TV phone me, but I'm set up the box down. Last not on the ground. On to me now.
Yo, you know, see a joke, you. Look for one of them about
Yeah,
that.
me man. Me go have NEC and mosquito man.
Mosquito?
Yeah.
Yo, me hear about that joke that I want to taste.
Brother, wicked man thing.
Big man, mate.
Yo, yeah, about them. Chill over,
Me have to go trash you come at party then.
Yeah, me, bush up thing.
Yo, me see how wicked thing, you know, dog.
Just do it.
They just call me pumpkin for nothing, you know, dog.
Just do it.
And me always spice the place, you know, dog. You know what they do? Mad thing little more than.
Done. This is the settlement and confrontation. Fuck a correction. Federation. Yo, done. This is the settlement and confrontation. Start from the roads, them say Alliance and the Federation. That's the allegation.
And it's a mosquito there.
Gaza. Yo, I want to make
Me taste me a come with bush. Me taste it all. Me taste it all. You like it tune.
a freeze. Ask them to come on.
Wala selector. Plug the girl them over there so. You want them where you don't know say. You have it, you know what I mean? You want them where?
When it's tuna man.
Alman, Sam, Johnson. Judas in Finusi, yeah. Hold on, say them a gangster, them a know nobody. And mind them a try sell nobody. The first hard box, say they fans, the little clowns.
Ali girl them over there so you them a dash out na them and
Gaza, yeah.
When you say me can defend myself anywhere me get shot. Anybody who ask me say, you can't beat me like your parents. Cause I'm a part of nothing that you learn. You never fear them. This will be 10 near them. Selfishness will beat them. You don't ever fear me to fear them. You not talk to the spring or hear them. You don't ever fear me to fear them. Jealous is a y'all the fish or fear them. Me not free badness, you know. Me not free some pound. No one is a fish when you love me.
On the road we are broke. When the drink out the cup,
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
You left me your place now, dog. Yeah, your party now bad, you. You think you have sense in you. No girl, no girl. What?
Cripple! Yo, don't touch me, move man. Me say you don't hear that chat me, my brother. Say, oh, every scene what we do, you better than me, no. Overall, me shots, when I learn to go to Pork Festival, me go want it back. Yes, see, I'm going to watch it too. RS, me are going to things better.
Careful.
That me I tell you.
You don't know, see, I know your body, so me name Pumpkin.
Don't touch me.
So watch out, just chill off over there, sir. We are going for one contest, you see me? Yo, go up, yes. Because me know me have more power than you know that. Yo, a 10 pumpkin belly, that is a 1 pumpkin, you know that. Alright, watch it. Stop walking. Brother, me done tell you go. Yo, do it. I want to me promoting it. Go.
Fire style. Fireball jutsu.
Yo. Grandpa. Oh, you do that, dog? Yeah, boy. So, me tell you say, 10 pumpkin can come out of 1 pumpkin. Alright, listen up. Yeah. Boy, cripple. Look how much pumpkin in 1 pumpkin. One pumpkin, Johto. We are many. Yeah.
Oh yeah, Kakafat. You know so small pumpkin and 1 pumpkin there.
But you tell your cripple, you never believe me,
Me have a small fight off, man.
Alright, but me still have no power, you know, dog.
I can't power than me.
Alright, come in, I could go show you then. You ready, boy?
Ready.
You ready? Alright, now fire burning.
You just scratch pumpkin no more think, man. What you know?